What is up, guys, and welcome to yet another DaVinci Resolve 16 video editing tutorial for beginners. In this video editing tutorial, we're going to be looking at the edit section or the page section. Let's get to it. All right, so once you have uploaded your videos, your media, your sound effects, your images, whatever, onto DaVinci Resolve, now you want to skip this next button called cut. It's not so important because I'm going to show you the easiest way how you can quickly and easily edit your video. Just skip cut and then go to this third icon here called edit. So click on edit there, and then DaVinci Resolve will bring you to this new window. Now this is also not so complicated. Now of course on the top part here is some features you can use, but mostly not going to use these features so much. I just want you to bring attention to this part here which I've highlighted. Now this part here shows what you have uploaded onto DaVinci Resolve, and then this window shows you the file that you're going to use. If the video is going to show you here, okay, and here is going to show you the output, how you edit it. So this is the original. This first window shows you the original video as it is. This second window shows you the one that looks like after you've edited. Now if you go to the left lower side part of this window, we have some other editing tools here, such as titles and video, whatever, effects, generating video transitions and audio transitions. Now you're going to see how to use those. Okay, so now what is the next step once you have come into this window? We're going to drag and drop this video onto this space. Okay, so this is how you drag and drop your video here, like that, as simple as that, to the end there. So now this is what you're going to edit. This is the video, and this is what you're going to edit. Now if you want to play it, you just come to this button here. If you click that, it will start to play. Now of course there it has started. You might not hear the sound, but it's already started to play. Okay, so now you have already gone very far as editing your video is concerned. By the way, if you didn't know, you are so much into it. Now the next things of course now is play, edit, play, edit, play, edit. As you play it, you edit it, you add, you cut, you paste, you do whatever you want with it. So it's very simple. Let's try, for example, editing this video. So the first thing I always do is just play so that you know at what point do you want to cut, do you want to start. For example, where do I want my video to start? Let's see. I'm going to listen to it until the point where I hear my voice starting to speak. Welcome. So it starts there. That's where I start. So it's very simple. Now what I do here, I come to this razor blade here, click on that razor blade, then come here and then just click on like that. Then like that, that's where my voice, I start to talk. This, I didn't start to talk here. Then I come to this cursor, point of the cursor, then I come there, and then you can always delete this, or I'll just drag it to the end. So I'm just going to drag it to the end first, like that. And then of course just drag this one there again. Okay, so now then I just continue to play it. So remember, as it is playing, it is showing you what is going on this window here. You see these windows here? Thank you so much, guys, for watching that video. And if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, including introduction, uploading videos, images, and other b-rolls, the edit section, adding other videos, adding texts, adding images, dynamic zoom, and how to highlight an area, and how to render deliver your video, then I have included links to these in the description below. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if there's anything you think I have left and you want to know, kindly comment below, and I'll surely make a video on that as well. Adios, amigos. I'm out.